How does the state attorney general work with the federal government? Have you ever wondered how the state attorney general collaborates with the federal government? This partnership is essential for addressing legal issues that affect both state and national interests. State attorneys general, often referred to as State AGs, work closely with federal agencies through various methods. They engage in joint investigations, enforcement actions, and policy initiatives. This teamwork allows both levels of government to combine resources and share information effectively. At the core of this collaboration, State AGs often join multi-agency task forces. These groups include federal agencies such as the Department of Justice and other regulatory bodies. Together, they tackle significant issues like financial fraud, consumer protection, and public health concerns. For instance, federal laws sometimes allow state AGs to enforce federal statutes. This expands their role and involvement in national enforcement priorities. Importantly, state AGs maintain their independent authority. They can choose to settle cases or pursue litigation, even if federal agencies take a different approach. This independence is vital for protecting the interests of their states while still aligning with broader federal goals. To formalize these partnerships, state AGs and federal agencies often use Memoranda of Understanding. These agreements outline how they will share complaints, prioritize cases, and combine their expertise. A recent example is a partnership between the Department of Transportation and several state AGs. This collaboration created a fast-track system to handle airline consumer protection complaints, making the process more efficient. Beyond enforcement, state AGs also work with federal officials on policy advocacy. They sometimes join bipartisan coalitions to encourage Congress to pass legislation on emerging issues. Topics like online safety for minors and the impact of social media algorithms are often at the forefront of these discussions. This shows how state AGs can influence federal policy while addressing state-level concerns. From a law school perspective, understanding the relationship between state AGs and the federal government is essential. These attorneys operate at the intersection of state and federal law. They must navigate the principles of federalism, balancing state sovereignty with national interests. This coordination across jurisdictions is crucial for effective legal enforcement and policy development. For lawyers working within state AG offices, being skilled at managing intergovernmental relations is key. They need to understand both state laws and federal regulations while engaging in multi-jurisdictional litigation. The increasing collaboration between state AGs and federal agencies reflects a trend toward integrated law enforcement. This approach helps address complex legal challenges efficiently, benefiting both state and federal interests.